Hello everyone. I am Mr. Humble. Today's topic is battery capacity information. Yes, it is confusing. There are a lot of different sources. Research papers can be your sources. Postings from consulting companies are also good. In most cases you can get very good-looking information for free from postings. However, can we trust the numbers? Let's find out. Let's start with Battery Atlas. This is a part of Battery News, which is German website. But it gives you global information. The Battery Atlas is a part of this website. It gives you with cool graphics with statistics. If you want to get an overview about battery supply chains, this is a good one. In this video, I will focus on battery cell production in Europe this time. They have not updated Asia and US information since 2023. This battery atlas about Europe was published in May this year. The total theoretical capacity is 1919 gigawatt-hours plus alpha. This is an amazing number. However, if you do not think twice, you may start using wrong numbers. If you are working on electric vehicles specifically, it is even more challenging. As it is not very clearly written, the number is the sum of maximum capacity. Let's see a few examples why we need to consider details.
First, Diamat. This is sodium-ion battery producer. As I said in another video, sodium-ion battery is not ready to be seen in electric vehicles. So, questionable. Let's see Italvolt as well. A news article in January from this website, Battery News, said Italvolt was in crisis with a link to the source publication. With a small effort, the plan of starting was for the 2025. In addition, it had a liquidation problem. So, it would have been good if they updated about Italvolt in May. In addition, there are so many 2000XX. These are just a few watchouts easily found.
These guys give you even cooler graphics than Battery News team. Let's see what they show and how we can play with details. With some further analysis and update, this shows a bit smaller numbers, which may look realistic. The picture is awesome as always. But, if you see the right side, the table, you may have found something interesting. In Poland, Google says the Korean company called LGES already has 70+ alpha capacity. It is expanding to more than 100 in the near future, as we could see in Battery Atlas. Therefore, it looks more important than South Korea and UK. Maybe I am missing something. In alignment with the page before, look at this article from Bloomberg NEF. I do not like how they compare the demand of 2025 with the announced capacity. But I have a better idea. Let's say 10 billion passenger cars are to be sold globally. Assume 100% are to be electric vehicles by 2030. 75 kilowatt-hour per a car, and for every car will only make sense. On the other hand, many more applications like ESS or trucks should grow really fast to absorb this overcapacity. These guys give you even cooler graphics than Battery News team. Let's see what they show and how we can play with details. Another point of view. This is analysis by T.E. I like this. To be honest, it is very tough to produce battery cells with quality and price balance. Also, I don't see many good battery engineers in Europe. Technology development is one thing. Production must be another one. Everyone knows this by heart. But we don't talk very clearly. At least, I don't see many articles pointing this out. Europe needs many engineers to run the gigafactories. So, let's try not to get confused with pictures and numbers shared for free. First, don't look at pictures only. Then, check the details behind them. Finally, try to follow what makes sense with reality. If you like or dislike or just have other information, please leave your comments. It will be highly appreciated. If you want to learn more about the contents in my videos, please contact me via email, that is humbleChemistry@google. Thank you for watching. Let us study together.